Ever wondered if you could get the best of both worlds by running Windows 10 on your Chromebook? Let's explore that possibility right now. Officially, Chrome OS doesn't support installing Windows 10 directly due to hardware and software incompatibilities, but fear not, tech adventurers, we have options. The first and more complex route is dual booting. This involves installing a separate operating system alongside Chrome OS. The most popular tool for this used to be Ubuntu, but this is no longer a viable option. To do this, you will have to enable developer mode, then install a compatible Linux distribution. Once installed, you can attempt to use it as a base to install Windows. Keep in mind that this method is technical and may void your warranty. There are plenty of online resources available to guide you through the steps, but proceed with caution. The second, and generally safer option, is virtualization. Using software like VMware or VirtualBox, you can create a virtual machine on your Chromebook, running Windows 10 within it. You'll first need to install a Linux distribution on your Chromebook, as virtualization software typically runs on Linux. From there, install your virtualization software. Next, you'll need to download a Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft's website. When configuring your virtual machine, allocate enough RAM and storage for Windows 10 to run smoothly. Be aware that virtualization can be resource-intensive, so performance might be slower compared to running Windows natively. Ultimately, while running Windows 10 on a Chromebook is possible, consider whether a dedicated Windows laptop might better suit your needs, given the performance limitations and technical challenges involved. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips.